Hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9 channel. So here I am going to tell you how to get 6.5 band score in IELTS writing task 2. So I am claiming that it is super easy to get 6.5 bands with the help of ready-made templates. So these ready-made templates are easily available on numerous websites as well as on YouTube videos. You can use any of them, but here condition is you should learn it word wise. No, you should not forget to write any single word when you are writing these templates. Okay, and second important thing is when you are using these ready-made templates, always make sure that after writing these templates you have to write the essay topic as well also. Okay, so I mean to say when question will come, of course you will write the ready-made templates, but apart from the ready-made template you have to write the sentences from the topic, from the question statement also, na? Otherwise there will be no use of using these ready-made templates. So before starting it, I have given you the warning also. So make sure with the help of these ready-made template and with the help of your own writing about the question statement, then you can get 6.5 bands. Okay, now let's proceed for my video. So here first I am going to show you the question. Okay, then paragraph wise I am going to show you the templates also. Now let's look at the question. So this is my question. More people will work from home and more students will study at home if computer technology becomes cheap and accessible. So question is, what will be the advantages and disadvantages if this happens, and give your opinion. You have to give your opinion if they are asking you. If they are not asking you, suppose this is not given, then you are not going to give your opinion, right? So you should understand this condition also in the question. If they are given, then just make sure that you should give your opinion in the conclusion as well as in introduction if possible. Okay, so after reading the question, so what are your steps? So I always tell you what are the important steps, what you are going to do for planning. For planning means how you are going to bring out the main important points and how you are going to get that this is the type of question. Here after reading this question we have come to know that it is advantages and disadvantages and opinion essay. Okay, right, that is fine. So first already you should read the question statement twice means 2 or 3 times to understand the meaning of that question statement. And third one is what? Third one is find out the main topic from the question statement. So here in this question, what is the main topic? So here they are saying work from home and more student will study at home if computer technology becomes cheap and accessible. Okay, now what is the main topic? So according to my opinion, computer technology, modern technology is the main topic, and subtopics are work from home and study at home. They have given the answers themselves. We have to just discuss work from home and study at home, advantages of these two concepts and disadvantages of these two concepts. This is the type, this is the essay. Okay, and we have to tell them, so which is better, like we have to tell them, so we have to tell them our opinion also, that this concept has more advantages than disadvantages, or it has equal. So this is all depend how you are portraying the essay here. Okay, now starts. I will just tell you the revision also, what you can do after getting the question statement. Just give me. Now these are the steps you will be doing it after getting the question statement. After getting the question, read the question 2 or 3 times. So you will be thinking that why I am revising these steps, because I know you are just listening to me, but in fact when you will be reading it here, it will just fit in your mind. Second, identify the type of question and topic. Okay, that we have done. Third one is underline the important words in question statement and their similar or synonym words. Okay. Fourth one is always plan for BP1 and BP2, means what points you are going to write in body paragraph 1 and 2, and with example. Always think example also before writing it, and then you will be writing it. The final main step is, it is important, proofreading. Proofreading, you have to do it at the end of the like 5-6 minutes you can spend over proofreading. Okay. Hi. Now brainstorming means bringing out or planning the main important points for BP paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. So for this essay I have just written these points for work from home and means advantages. So advantages, I am going to write it here in 1, and disadvantages in BP2. So my advantage is enjoy family and work from home if someone is working from home. And qualification, students can get qualifications from overseas universities like Canadian University and so many universities. You can give name 2-3 universities, you can always give the name of universities. Third is it reduces transportation cost and traveling time. This is the main, these 3 are the main advantages. And second one is disadvantages in second paragraph in body paragraph 2. All the time they will sit at home, there would be no interaction. So this is my point. No, and it will cause psychological problem in human beings. Okay, in humans. Third is service industries like insurance, transport will have hard time, means they will be having huge losses in fact. Okay, so let's go to the templates now. Now let's read the template for introduction. So here you can see only the black one, the this is all template, only you have to write it your own point here. So there is no denying the fact that the phenomenon of dash is ubiquitous, means everywhere present across the globe due to its paramount importance. So okay, important or importance, it is there. So one school of thought opine that it is worthless, however others consider. So here we have put the name of main topic. Okay, computer technology or online technology or internet technology, you can write over here. However, however others consider that a couple of problems also occur because of the same, although this has a plethora of merits, yet numerous demerits are also there, which will be elaborated in upcoming paragraphs. Okay, so which will be elaborated in upcoming paragraphs. Now this is the time I am going to show you how you can use your own points with the help of these templates. Now you can read it. See, this is my introduction. I have written here only this main topic. If you want to get 6.5 or you can get more, you want to get more bands, then you can use one or more lines over here. So means you can paraphrase the question statement if you want good bands, more than 6.5. So here I have written all the template except this red one. This is my topic name. Okay, now so easy, you can just get if you are having any problem in just count words and you can't write it properly, then use this template for advantages and disadvantages essay. Okay, so now what I was talking about, if you want 7 and more bands, then you can write this kind of paragraph. So I haven't written the full, though but little bit I have given you the sample. Computers are transforming our world into a global village. So this is relating to general statement they have given. Moreover, this technology is getting cheaper and easily accessible to everyone. This development is going to enhance. So from here to here, what I have just paraphrased the question statement, and then you will be writing this paragraph will discuss merits and demerits of this phenomena. So this is also good and this is also good, this template. Okay, now look at the body paragraph 1, how I am going to write with templates. Here you have to write more. Initiating with the best possible benefits, the most significant advantage is dash dash, means you have to give your own point regarding the question, and then along with it your point, to cite an example, your example, and you have to conclude the paragraph with the help of these connectors. As a result, therefore, thus, you can use these words. So I'm going to show how I have used my 3 points here with example. Okay, now you can see this was the template from here to here, as a result till, and how I have used my own points with the help using these templates. So let's read it. Initiating with the best possible benefits, the most significant advantage is regarding teleworker. So I have changed the word. They have flexibility of working hours so that they can enjoy family and working life. So already I have given this point in my planning. That's why it is easy to write over here. So hence or along with it, you can use any word. The employment problem can be easily solved. To cite an example, see, I have given this example also. You can read it, you can take screenshot. Many English spoken classes are taught by teachers by experienced teachers. In fact, it should come. So my pencil is little light. Experienced teachers from their homes. Those experienced and handicapped teachers are also getting employment. Okay. So moreover, students can get qualifications from overseas universities like Canadian universities at home. What is more means, again the extra connectors, they can get better concentration at home. They are talking about students. See, we have to give reasoning for whatever the given in question. So whatever the topic is given in question statement, that we have to cover in our answer also. So as a result, this development reduces travel time and transportation cost. So this is my body paragraph 1. So this was, you can just see, this was the template. Okay, from here to here, and this is the this is my reply using these templates. For means I am writing here advantage. See most, okay. So benefits. Now let's look at the body paragraph 2. So how I have written, you can just look at this. On the paradoxical side, there are many drawbacks as well. Firstly, your point, for instance, your example. Secondly, your point, consequently means result. You are concluding the paragraph. Okay, let's look at the side where I have given this, I have used this template with the help of my points. Now this is my body paragraph 2 with the help of these templates. You can just read it. On the paradoxical side, there are many drawbacks as well. Firstly, being social animals, humans like to interact with each other. In conditions where they always work from home, people will feel isolated. Okay, so here, like I had done here like this. So this is not allowed in IELTS. They will put your this word like this, means your this word is going to cut from the number of words. So don't do that, because I was writing with this sketch pen and all, that's why it happened here. Otherwise with pencil it should not be like that only. Okay, so now next point is, this may lead to psychological problems in working person. Secondly, industries like marketing, transport, insurance, etc. will have to face a hard time because their customers no longer come to the market. Consequently, means as a result, people will have to spend more money on their mental health, and students also have to work hard for their medical issues. See, this is my body paragraph 2. I have just combined template and my own points. So with the help of your own points and these templates, you are going to get 6.5. Irrespective of any spelling mistake, it should not be there in your writing. Okay, so everything you should take care of, then you can easily get. Now let's come to the conclusion part. See, this is my conclusion. In conclusion, I personally, this is template, this is my answer. In a conclusion, I personally believe that merits dash outnumber the demerits dash. However, efforts should be made to minimize the later one, means the last one. In a conclusion, I personally believe that merits of online work, employment and studies outnumber the demerits of the same notion. Okay, it has more merits than demerits. Okay, however, the efforts should be made to minimize the later one. So here this is my I personally believe, and in fact it should be in introduction also. So here in this way I have explained you that templates of, in this way I have explained you the ready-made templates for this essay, advantages and disadvantages. Please follow it properly. It's a warning for you again with the usage of these ready-made templates. Always use it wisely, but you should be able to write it in your own language also, whatever the question is asking you. Okay, thank you so much.